हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, बब्बर्स एकेडमी में आपका स्वागत है। यदि अभी तक आपने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो ज़रूर करें। दिस वीडियो इज़ अ continuation ऑफ द एसिड, बेसिस एंड सॉल्ट्स। द टॉपिक इज हाउ स्ट्रॉन्ग आर एसिड और बेस solution. We know how acid-base indicators can be used to distinguish between an acid and a base. इसके लिए मैंने आपको एक वीडियो भी बनाकर दी है जिसमें मैंने टर्मेरिक एज इंडिकेटर लिया और उसमें बताया कि टर्मेरिक कैसे हेल्प करता है एसिड और बेसिस को पहचानने में। जो एसिड्स होते हैं, एसिड और बेस इंडिकेटर, that can be used to distinguish between an acid and base. एसिड बेस इंडिकेटर के साथ हम डिस्टिंग्विश कर सकते हैं एसिड और बेस को। We have also learned in previous section about dilution. अभी लास्ट वीडियो में मैंने आपको डाइल्यूशन के बारे बताया और उसमें बताया कि कैसे जो डिक्रीज इन कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एंड हाइड्रोक्सिल आयन इन सॉल्यूशन टेक्स प्लेस व्हेन वी dilute any acid or base. तो decrease in concentration of hydrogen ion in acid and decrease in concentration of hydroxyl ion in acid bases takes place. Can we quantitatively find the amount of these ions present in a solution? We all this can do with the help of experiments. We can do this by making use of universal indicator. The turmeric I have told you that is an acid base indicator. In the same way there are more indicators like phenolphthalein, methyl orange, but there is one universal indicator which is a mixture of several indicators. The universal indicator, इसके आपको definition भी आ सकती है. The universal indicator shows different colors at different concentration of hydrogen ion in the solution. जिस हिसाब से जब जो यूनिवर्सल इंडिकेटर हम यूज करते हैं जब, तो उसमें जो भी कलर आएगा डिफरेंट कंसंट्रेशन, जिसकी कंसंट्रेशन कम है उसके लिए अलग कलर होगा, जिसकी कंसंट्रेशन ज्यादा है एसिड या बेस की तो उसके लिए डिफरेंट कलर आएगा। कि कितने हाइड्रोजन आयन सॉल्यूशन में हैं, यूनिवर्सल इंडिकेटर उसके हिसाब से कलर देगा। दैट कैन बी मेजर्ड ऑन अ स्केल। A scale for measuring hydrogen ion concentration in a solution is called pH scale, या जो स्केल है जिसके ऊपर हम मेजर कर सकते हैं तो उसको हम कहते हैं pH scale. P in pH stands for potence in German, meaning power. On the pH scale we can measure pH generally from 0. If it comes 0, that means very acidic, to 14. The scale is from 0 to 14. If it is 0, then very acidic, and if it is 14, that means very alkaline. pH should be thought of simply as a number which indicates the acidic or basic nature of the solution. Higher the hydronium ion concentration, lower the pH. Because 0 is on the acidic side. जितने ज्यादा हाइड्रोजन आयन्स होंगे, हाइड्रोनियम आयन होंगे, उतने ज्यादा एसिडिक सॉल्यूशन होगा और उसकी pH वैल्यू उतने ही कम होगी। The pH of neutral solution is 7. That means if we start 0 to 14 and in between it comes 7 here, so 7 is the neutral solution, that is water. Values less than 7 on the pH scale, if we go to this side, it represents an increase in OH solution. As the pH increases, 7 on the pH scale, that is less than 7 on the pH scale, represents an acidic solution. So all these values go to acidic and all these values go to basic character. It represents an increase in OH ion. If we go from this to this side, that means increase in OH ion, because on the right side all the bases are there. So as the pH value increases from 7 to 14, it represents an increase in OH ion concentration in the solution. As this table chart shows, this scale shows how this value 7 is neutral and 0 is acidic, and in the same way 7 to 14, this is the basic nature increasing, and to this side acidic nature is increasing. This scale shows variation of pH with the change in concentration of H aqueous, H ion aqueous and OH ion aqueous. In the same way, this pH values of different, if we take different solutions and their pH value, we can calculate, we can tell which solution is acidic or basic, as this scale also shows. If there is this is salmon, take in mind this is salmon, this is pure water. If we go to this side, suppose this is a lemon juice, it's 2 and so it is acidic. Gastric juice is also acidic. In the milk of magnesia, this is basic, and sodium hydroxide, this is a strong base, so it comes to 14. The strength of the acids and bases depends on the number of hydrogen ion and OH ion produced. This is the main point. The strength of acids and bases depends on the H ion in the acid and OH ion in the base respectively. If we take HCl and acetic acid of the same concentration, then these produce different amount of hydrogen ion. Acids that give rise to hydrogen ion are said to be strong acid, and the acid that gives to hydrogen ion are said to be weak acid. These, because out of these one is strong and the other is weak. So can you say that what weak and what strong we will do in the next video. If you like my video, comment and share it. Thank you.